أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين صدق الله العلي العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم यूं भी इबादत होती है हम यूं ही इबादत करते हैं यूं भी इबादत होती है हम यूं ही इबादत करते हैं इस्लाम के गुलशन की हम जान देकर हिफाजत करते हैं जीने का हमें कोई शौक नहीं मरने की हमें कोई फिक्र नहीं जीने का हमें कोई शौक नहीं मरने की हमें कोई फिक्र नहीं वो मर के भी जिंदा रहते हैं जो दीन की हिफाजत करते हैं In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful, my most respected teachers, guests, intellectual and vivid religious scholars, Assalamu alaikum. At first, I would like to welcome all of you from the core of my heart, and I pay tribute to my teachers who struggled and strived much for holding such a gigantic and most awaited program. Today, I would like to deliver my speech for my Palestinian brothers. My dear audience, this is not the first people in Gaza have suffered Israeli brutality that has caused death and devastation. Yet the kinds of ferocious and incessant bombardment carried out by the Zionist administration this time has not been seen for a long while. Dear audience, you are also aware that children and women are among the main casualties of Israel's latest military action. Worst of all, dear audience, heartbroken and harrowing scenes of bodies of young children being dug out from the rubble give a glimpse into the Israel's savagery. Israel's jets are striking homes, refugee camps, medical facilities and even educational buildings. Dear audience, thousands of Palestinians have been displaced in Gaza, may have borne the brunt of the latest wave of Israeli hostilities, but the violence has spread to other areas of occupied territories too. The brutal Israeli government tried to justify its military action in Gaza as retaliation to Hamas rocket fires targeting its territory, but this is far from the truth. Through this speech, I would like to convey my message to 57 Muslim countries and the claimants of humanitarian rights organization and the Western countries that Palestinian families have been living under the constant threat of eviction for many years. But over the past months, the extremist Jewish groups have intensified their attacks on them and led provocative mobs in order to force them out, all with the tacit approval of right-wing Israeli government. My dear audience, the upheaval of Muslims America fully backed the Israeli bellicosity. The Palestinian people have stood defiant in the face of Israeli barbarism. But my dear brothers, our Palestinian brothers need the support of international community to continue fighting for their rights. My dear audience, it's time to break the chains of slavery and come forward for the rights of our Palestinian brothers. First of all, we must boycott the Israeli products and stand with our Palestinian brothers at every platform. Social media is the best platform to expose the brutality and savagery of Israeli government. In this prayer, I would like to give finishing touch to my speech that may Allah help and protect our Palestinian brothers. Thanks a lot all of you, especially my teachers who provided me such a huge stage to deliver my thoughts, pen and condolence for my Muslim brothers. Thank you. In the end, I quote the meaning of ayat of Holy Quran. This is their recompense, meaning punishment, because they displayed our revelations. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.
माशाअल्लाह ये हुयो अब्दुल कयूम लाड़ी साहब जन तव्हांजे साम्हूं बहितरीन अंदाज़ में अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान में फ़लस्तीनियुनि जे हक़ में तव्हांजे साम्हूं स्पीच कई बहितरीन तकरीर करण ते इदारे जे असुल बानी ऐं जे शख़्स हिन इदारे जो हे जेको तव्हांजे साम्हूं जेको असां फल ॾिसी रहिया आहियूं इहो बूटो जंहिं पोखियो कारी मोहम्मद ज़मान ब्रोही साहब जन ये एतिरी जन जी असुल महिनत आहे उन खां पोइ इन वण खे जेको पाणी ॾेई रहिया आहिनि मुफ्ती मोहम्मद नवाज़ साहब ऐं उन्हनि जी टीम सर आमिरुल्ला ऐं जेके ॿिया उस्ताद इकराम आहिनि कारी मोहम्मद ज़मान साहब जे तरफ़ां हिन नंढड़े जे लाइ 500 रुपए जो इनाम आहे बहितरीन परफॉर्मेंस ते अल्लाह ताला खां दुआ आहे त अल्लाह कंदो इंशाअल्लाह अॻिते बि ईअं ई वधंदो ऐं महिनत कंदो रहंदो माशाअल्लाह ज़बरदस्त। हाणे मां बिला ताख़ीर दावत ख़िताब ॾींदुमि हज़रत मौलाना हबीबुल्लाह ख़ासकैली साहब जिन खे त उहे